What's up, traders? Welcome back to another live trading session where I'll dive into real life trading strategies and show you how to make money from them in real life scenarios. So if you've ever wondered how to make quick decisions in a fast-paced environment, then stay tuned. Today, I'm breaking down one of the simplest yet most effective strategies for day trading, the moving average crossover strategy. This is a perfect strategy whether you're a beginner or an expert. If you've been looking for a way to make clear entry and exit decisions, you're going to love this. So this strategy is very simple. It just has these three indicators, okay? So I'm going to set it up for you here again. So here you just have to take a moving average 3 times. Here are the 3 moving averages. Now, what you want to do is change 1 to 9, save. Change 1 to 20. Style it to be a little bit different, maybe magenta. And 1 to 100. This is a longer term one. And style this to different colors as well, so you know which is which, okay? So let's make this red, or maybe yellow. This red might be a little bit closer to the other one. So this is how to set it up. It's very, very simple to set it up. And this strategy has about a 60 to 70% win rate. So it's a very successful strategy compared to a lot of other strategies out there. And I'm just gonna go through some examples of where it worked out for me. So here is an example right here. So this is where it actually broke through. So you can see the green line right there. It broke through the magenta line and the yellow line. So that's the medium and long-term moving averages. So that's what you want to see. And as you can see, it rallied up quite a bit after that. So this strategy clearly works. And this strategy also works with the reverse as well. So when I was doing a trade, I actually shorted this position right here. And when it crossed the magenta line right here, I actually profited a substantial amount when I shorted right here and sold right here. Yet another example is when I bought right here and it rallied up a substantial amount again. So this strategy works 60 to 70% of the time, as I discussed. So by using this moving average indicator, you get to keep things simple, right? You don't have to manage a dozen different indicators, also reference support, resistance, and all of that stuff. You just have to put these 3 moving averages in and see where it crosses over. It's a very simple process, and it's highly recommended, especially for beginner and intermediate people. But it can also be used for expert traders as well, as I use this personally. So that's a wrap on this indicator and going over how it works. Let me know what you think of the strategy and how you think it would play out in the trading world.